decades, construction scheduling has relied on critical path diagrams, linear tools that outline project phases but lack spatial context or visual clarity. These tools are static, difficult to interpret across teams, and slow to adapt to real-time changes, which can lead to delays, miscommunication, and added cost. At Primus, we know that our complex builds require more than pages and pages of a traditional schedule to maintain precision and pace. They require a visual scheduling tool that synchronizes the project timeline with the Revit model, giving all stakeholders, from ownership to subcontractors, a clear, shared understanding of the project's construction progress. 4D scheduling connects the CPM schedule to the Revit model, producing a time sequence simulation that visualizes how the build will progress, phase by phase, before a shovel hits the ground. This approach allows project teams to watch construction unfold in a model environment, which in turn allows them to verify trade sequencing and identify potential clashes or schedule constraints before they reach the field. It's not just a visual aid. 4D scheduling is a virtual construction test run that helps teams coordinate site logistics, material deliveries, and crew workflows with precision. Using 4D, we can ensure owners, field teams, and subcontractors are aligned on task timing, trade handoffs, and the spatial progression of work, from structural shell to final equipment installation. And if changes or disruptions occur, the schedule and model can be resynced within minutes, whether in the office or in the field, keeping decisions proactive instead of reactive. Every stage of the build is digitally sequenced and simulated, providing the team with a time-based construction preview from groundbreaking to commissioning. No confusion, no downtime, no guesswork, no wasted effort. Just a streamlined, data-driven way to stay on track. With 4D scheduling at Primus, a picture is worth 1,000 spreadsheets, bringing a new dimension of efficiency to manufacturing and cold storage construction.